Have you ever looked up at the night sky and noticed a tiny blinking light gliding among the stars? It's a sight that's both mysterious and comforting, a reminder that even in the vast darkness above, there's always something moving, something alive. For many of us, spotting these lights is a familiar experience, one that sparks curiosity and wonder about what's happening high overhead. That's an airplane, and its lights are more than just a pretty show. They're essential tools, designed to keep everyone in the sky and on the ground safe. These lights help pilots see and be seen, even from miles away, and they play a vital role in the complex ballet of nighttime aviation. Each flash and color is part of a carefully designed system, a language of light that keeps our skies safe. Red, green, and white lights, along with bright strobes, all work together to send clear signals to other pilots and air traffic controllers. It's a system that's been refined over decades, ensuring that every aircraft can communicate its presence and intentions, even in total darkness. The blinking isn't random, it's a crucial part of aviation safety, communicating vital information to pilots and controllers. Anti-collision lights, for example, flash in a specific pattern to warn other aircraft of their position, while navigation lights indicate the direction the plane is facing. This visual language helps prevent accidents and keeps air traffic flowing smoothly. As the plane gets closer, you'll notice multiple lights, some steady, some flashing, each with a specific role. The red light on the left wing, green on the right, and white at the tail, all help other pilots determine the plane's orientation and movement. Flashing strobe lights make the aircraft more visible, especially in busy airspace or during takeoff and landing. This combination is universal, from small planes to giant jets. No matter the size or type of aircraft, these lighting systems are a shared language, understood by pilots and controllers all over the world. It's a testament to international cooperation and the shared goal of keeping the skies safe for everyone. Understanding these lights is like unlocking a secret code of the skies. Pilots spend hours learning what each light means, how to interpret them, and how to use them to communicate silently with others. It's a skill that's as important as reading instruments or talking to air traffic control. So next time you see those moving lights, remember, each blink tells a story about the aircraft's position, direction, and status. It's a silent conversation happening above us, a dance of lights that keeps everyone safe, whether you're a passenger, a pilot, or just an observer on the ground. This intricate light show is a silent guardian, guiding pilots and protecting millions every day. It's a system that works quietly in the background, rarely noticed but always essential, ensuring that every journey through the night sky is as safe as possible. It's a brilliant example of how a simple blinking light can make the skies safer for everyone, turning the darkness into a place of order, safety, and connection. Airplane lights aren't just for looks, they're essential safety tools. Every light has a specific function, required by aviation authorities worldwide. In the sky's vast invisible highways, these lights prevent collisions and communicate an aircraft's position and direction. They're a universal language for pilots, regardless of country or language. On the ground, lights warn crews and vehicles of moving aircraft, preventing accidents in busy, noisy airports. For example, a flashing red light signals engines are running, stay clear. From engine start to shutdown, these lights constantly communicate, working with radar and air traffic control to keep flights safe. They're not just for show, they're a vital part of aviation safety. To decode why airplane lights blink and shine in different ways, let's break down the four main types found on every aircraft. Each light serves a specific function, and together, they create a visual language that keeps the skies safe and organized, both on the ground and in the air. First, navigation lights. These are the steady red, green, and white lights you'll see on the wingtips and tail. The red light is always on the left wing, green on the right, and white on the tail. They help other pilots instantly recognize an aircraft's position and direction, especially at night or in low visibility. This system is universal, so pilots around the world can interpret what they see in the sky. Next, strobe lights. These are the intense flashing white lights that pulse at regular intervals. Strobes are designed to make planes visible from miles away, even in poor weather or darkness. They're especially important during takeoff, landing, and when flying in busy airspace, acting as a warning to other aircraft. Beacon lights are the flashing red lights you'll spot on the top and bottom of the fuselage. These lights warn ground crews and anyone nearby that the engines are running or about to start. It's a crucial safety feature signaling that it's dangerous to approach the aircraft. Finally, landing and taxi lights. These are the powerful beams mounted on the nose gear or wings. They illuminate runways and taxiways much like car headlights, helping pilots see obstacles and guiding the aircraft safely during takeoff, landing, and ground movement. Each light has a unique purpose and is used at specific times during a flight. Pilots carefully check and operate these lights as part of their pre-flight and in-flight routines, ensuring everything is working as it should. Pilots follow strict procedures for using these lights. Forgetting isn't just a mistake, it's a safety risk. The correct use of lights is part of aviation regulations and it's drilled into every pilot during training. Together, these lights form a comprehensive system, ensuring aircraft are always visible and their intentions clear to others. This helps prevent collisions and confusion, both in the air and on the ground. From the moment an aircraft leaves the gate to when it reaches cruising altitude, every light plays a part in aviation safety choreography. The sequence and timing of lights are carefully coordinated for maximum effectiveness. Understanding these types is the key to reading the language of the skies. For pilots, crews, and even air traffic controllers, knowing what each light means is essential for safe operations. It's a system that keeps everyone, pilots, crews, and passengers, safe, making sure every journey through the night sky is as secure as possible. Navigation lights, or position lights, are the foundation of aircraft visibility. By law, every plane has a red light on the left wing, green on the right, and white on the tail. This arrangement lets pilots instantly judge another aircraft's direction. Red and green mean it's coming toward you, just green or red means it's crossing, and white means it's moving away. These steady lights are required from sunset to sunrise, and often in poor visibility. Unlike strobes or beacons, navigation lights don't blink. Their constant glow provides a reliable reference. This simple color code is a universal language, helping pilots avoid conflicts and maintain safe separation. While flashy strobes get attention, navigation lights quietly do the heavy lifting of nighttime aviation safety. They're the unsung heroes, making sure every aircraft's movements are clear. Red, green, and white, three colors that keep the skies organized and safe. The strobe light is the most visible signal you'll see on a plane at night. It's a brilliant, unmistakable flash that instantly draws your eye, even from miles away. Whether you're on the ground or in the air, it's often the first thing you notice about an aircraft moving through the darkness. These high-intensity white flashes, usually mounted on the wingtips and tail, are designed for one crucial purpose: collision avoidance. Their brightness cuts through fog, rain, and even the thickest night, making sure the aircraft is visible to everyone nearby. Strobes are turned on just before takeoff and remain active until the aircraft has safely landed and cleared the runway. This ensures that, during the most critical phases of flight, when planes are moving fast and close to each other, every aircraft is impossible to miss, even in haze or low visibility. Their powerful flash can be disorienting up close, especially for ground crew or other pilots nearby. That's why strobes are switched off while taxiing or waiting at the gate, to avoid blinding anyone working around the aircraft or in the cockpit of another plane. The blinking grabs attention. Our brains are wired to notice movement and change, making strobes the ultimate look-at-me signal. Even in a busy airport environment filled with lights, the strobe's sharp, rhythmic flash stands out. Unlike steady navigation lights, a flashing strobe stands out against the background of stars, city lights, and even other aircraft. It acts as an early warning for other pilots, alerting them to the presence and movement of nearby planes long before they're close. Think of them as the aviation equivalent of emergency vehicle lights, impossible to ignore, and designed to demand your attention in any situation. Strobes announce the aircraft's presence with authority, broadcasting a clear message to everyone in the sky. "I'm here, keep your distance." This simple act helps keep the skies safe for everyone. This simple rhythmic flash is one of the most effective anti-collision tools in aviation. It's a technology that's been refined over decades, and its effectiveness is proven every night, all around the world. It's a small feature with a huge impact on safety, one that helps pilots, passengers, and everyone on the ground rest a little easier, knowing that every flash is working to keep the skies safe. Beacon lights, flashing red, are the ground crew's warning sign. Located on the top and bottom of the fuselage, they're switched on before engine start and stay on until shutdown. The message is clear: engines are live, stay clear. In the noisy, busy world of airport ramps, this flashing red light cuts through the chaos, preventing accidents near powerful engines. Beacons also help controllers and other pilots spot which planes are powered up and ready to move. For pilots, seeing a beacon on another aircraft means caution. It could move at any moment. This simple light is one of the first on and last off, a silent guardian for everyone on the ground. It's a visual safety net, protecting crews from invisible dangers. The beacon's flash is a small detail with a massive safety payoff. Landing and taxi lights are the brightest on an airplane, acting like supercharged headlights. Landing lights, mounted on the wings or landing gear, illuminate the runway for takeoff and landing, helping pilots spot obstacles and judge their touchdown. Taxi lights are dimmer, used for ground movement to avoid blinding others while providing enough light to navigate safely. These lights are steady beams, not blinking, offering a constant view ahead. During night landings, they're essential for a smooth, precise touchdown. For takeoff, they confirm the runway is clear before accelerating. Landing lights also make the aircraft highly visible to others, signaling its intentions from miles away. Together with strobes and beacons, they ensure the aircraft is seen and understood as it moves between sky and ground. Powerful, steady, and unmistakable, these lights guide every safe arrival and departure. Why do some airplane lights blink? It's all about visibility and human psychology. Blinking lights grab our attention, breaking through the steady background of stars and city lights. Emergency vehicles use the same principle. Flashing lights demand notice. In aviation, strobes and beacons make aircraft conspicuous, while steady navigation lights provide orientation. The combination helps pilots and observers judge distance and movement, giving extra cues for safety. This system is carefully choreographed. Steady lights show position, blinking lights draw attention and warn of danger. It's a symphony of safety, each light playing a role in clear communication. The deliberate mix of steady and blinking lights leverages how our brains work, maximizing safety in all conditions. Every flash and glow is part of a larger performance, keeping the skies safe for all. From the first distant flash to the landing lights on the runway, every aircraft light is working to keep you safe. This isn't just hardware, it's a language of light, guiding pilots and protecting everyone on board. In busy airspace, these lights prevent confusion and keep traffic flowing smoothly. Even over the ocean, a strobe's flash can be the first sign of another plane, giving pilots precious time to avoid danger. Every blink and steady beam is a testament to aviation's commitment to safety. Next time you see a plane overhead, remember, those lights are silent promises protecting passengers, crew, and aircraft. Simple, brilliant, and essential, they're the unsung heroes of every flight. From takeoff to landing, every light is part of a system designed to keep the skies safe.